The Azalian Theory of Social Thinking Lines, ATSTL. By philosopher Shahid Hussein Azal. Email shahidhussein74,009@gmail.com. Human thought evolves not through conformity, but through the courage to think beyond inherited lines. Azal. Abstract. The Azalian Theory of Social Thinking Lines, ATSTL, explores the deep psychological and structural frameworks that shape human consciousness, culture, and society. It divides the human thought spectrum into 10 evolutionary thinking lines, each representing a distinct dimension of social behavior, belief, and awareness. 9 of these lines function within the boundaries of existing hereditary, social, political, and religious systems, designed to preserve collective continuity. Only the 10th line, the creative thinking line, dares to challenge those inherited frameworks, striving instead toward universal truth and cosmic consciousness. This theory unveils how inherited power structures, especially within third world societies, suppress the rise of creative consciousness through a web of tradition, political manipulation, and economic dependency. Introduction. Human society evolves not merely through biological change, but through layers of thought. Every civilization creates patterns of belief, institutions, and moral systems that define its destiny. Yet behind every tradition lies a thinking line, an invisible stream guiding the collective mind. The Azalian theory identifies these streams as social thinking lines, tracing the path from inherited conformity to creative liberation. This framework helps us understand why societies resist change and how new consciousness emerges from intellectual struggle. Society survives by repeating itself, genius survives by transcending repetition. Azal. 1. Social collective thinking line. This line operates through the principle of social harmony and shared tradition. It seeks order, identity, and belonging, but often at the cost of truth and progress. When collective agreement becomes more sacred than truth, stagnation begins. When harmony silences truth, the pulse of civilization weakens. Azal. 2. Social groups thinking line. This line revolves around group loyalty, class identity, and communal benefit. It provides protection and emotional belonging, but also breeds exclusion. Blind loyalty replaces truth with allegiance. The group shields the mind but also blinds it. Azal. 3. Parental thinking line. The parental line transmits values, customs, and moral frameworks across generations. It provides continuity, but also imposes intellectual inertia. When upbringing becomes rigid, creativity suffocates.